how to redeem Barnes and Noble gift card. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you redeem Barnes and Noble gift card. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the source field you'll have to type for barnesandnoble.com, and from there you'll be able to visit this official website from there. So from here, make sure that you are logged in with your account. So now from here you can also choose one product from here, or you can also directly go with your card section. So for that you'll have to just tap on this card icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to tap on this continue to checkout option. Now from here you'll have to complete all of this detail from here, and after you complete all of the details from here, you'll have to just scroll down at the bottom and go these sections like apply BN gift card. So from here you'll have to just tap on this option apply BN gift card. Okay, so from here you'll have to provide your card number and PIN, and after you provide the card number and PIN here, you'll have to just tap on this apply option, and from there you can easily go with the option submit order. So in this way you can redeem Barnes and Noble gift card. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.